Namaste. My name is Liz Lind. This is a Lakshmi Rising wrist therapy sequence to prevent and alleviate discomfort in the wrists, elbows, shoulders, and neck while strengthening the hands and wrists. Come onto all fours. Spread and relax your fingers. Press into the palms, especially the L of the pointer and thumb. Plug each fingertip into your mat. Circle your weight over wrists 3 times each way. Flip your hands so fingers point to knees and circle weight 3 times each way. Bend from the knuckle joints to lift the palms 5 to 10 times, finding the full flexibility of the fingers. Do this with the fingers facing in all 4 directions. Remember to keep a micro bend in the elbows. These palm lifts are a great remedy for pain in the thumb joint from overuse, and also elbow, shoulder, and neck pain. Tuck the toes under into toe crunch pose. This may feel a little bit uncomfortable, but it's a phenomenal stretch for the feet. This stretch can improve flexibility of the legs and hips and alleviate low back pain. Press the heels of the hands down into the mat and lean the shoulders back for 3 to 10 breaths. Flip the hands over and press the backs of the hands down into the mat for 3 to 10 breaths. Come up to kneeling, still on tiptoes. Interlace your fingers, press the palms together, and circle the wrists 3 to 5 times in each direction. Unlace your fingers, rotate the backs of the hands towards each other, and make circles while keeping the wrists touching. Spread your fingers, repeat 3 to 5 times in each direction. Gently place hands on shoulders and flick the wrists forward while straightening the arms. Fling the arms forward, out to the sides, and up overhead. Add breath of fire to this movement by forcefully exhaling through the nose while straightening the arms. Forcefully inhale through the nose while bending. Repeat anywhere from 3 breaths to 3 minutes. Press hands into the mat, lift hips, and walk forward. Place your hands under your feet, palms facing up. Press toes into wrists. This relieves pressure from the carpal tunnel and activates pressure points which harmonize body and mind, invoke feelings of inner peace, and relieve neck and back pain. Turn the hands over and massage the backs of the hands and wrists with your toes. Do these exercises regularly and notice the changes. I hope you enjoy this practice. Thanks for watching.